I'm going to be showing you how to download Minecraft in your PC. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is really easy. You just need to find a browser where you can download Minecraft in. So just open your apps, and once you're there, just choose any of the browser. I'm going to be choosing Safari. As you can see, it's right over here. Just tap there, and now just type in minecraft.net and you'll be in its website. Just tap enter and you'll see something like this. So once you're here, what you need to do is just look at the top right where you can see this option right here that says account. Just tap there. Now you have all these options like sign in, create account, download, and redeem. Just tap on download right there. And you can just select your platform. It'll show you automatically what type of PC you have, and you'll have this option that says download. Just tap here and it's all you really need to do. And as you can see, the download process is beginning. Just tap allow and there you go. So just open it, and you just need to open your games and you can find Minecraft right there. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.